What if the reason you're not building wealth has nothing to do with bad luck, low income, or even a lack of effort, but with quiet, invisible habits you repeat every single day without realizing they're draining you? The truth is, most people imagine wealth being stolen in big ways. A market crash, a job loss, a medical emergency. But in reality, wealth usually slips away in the small, almost invisible leaks that no one pays attention to. For example, think about how many times you've paid for convenience. Food delivery fees, late-night impulse shopping online, or ride shares when a short walk or bus ride would do. Each one feels harmless, yet over time, those little choices carve deep holes in your finances. Another silent drain is lifestyle creep, the way we automatically spend more the moment we earn more. Instead of pocketing the raise or bonus, we rush to upgrade our phone, our car, our wardrobe, or even our daily coffee habit. And before long, we've trapped ourselves in a cycle where higher income never feels like progress. Then there's the digital trap. Subscriptions you forgot you signed up for. Free trial apps that quietly auto-renew, or streaming platforms you barely use but keep paying for because it feels too minor to cancel. Individually, they don't sting, but stack them together and you're handing away thousands of dollars every year. Even habits unrelated to money on the surface are secretly financial drains. Neglecting sleep and health, for instance, seems harmless in your 20s, but long-term it creates fatigue, lost productivity, and hefty medical costs that eat away at savings. Ignoring skill growth or self-education feels like taking it easy now, but it locks you into the same paycheck year after year while others move ahead. Emotional spending is another trap no one talks about. Buying clothes you don't need, gadgets that gather dust, or comfort food when you're stressed. These decisions might give you a quick dopamine hit, but they build clutter, debt, and regret instead of wealth. Worse, we often surround ourselves with people who normalize these choices. Friends who spend every weekend eating out, relatives who say, "You only live once," to justify waste, or co-workers who encourage overspending just to fit in. Their influence becomes your habit, and without realizing it, you adopt financial behaviors that slowly drown your future. Credit cards make it even easier to ignore these leaks, because swiping feels painless until the interest charges pile up into something you can't control. Then comes procrastination, telling yourself you'll invest later, start saving later, learn new skills later. Yet every year of delay silently robs you of compound growth that could have turned small efforts into massive results. Another subtle wealth drain is ignoring time.